So we're on lesson 10, day 1, and today we are going to practice phoneme substitution. Let's review the instructions. I'll say a word and you repeat it. Next, I'll tell you a sound to substitute or change in the word. Then tell me the new word. Ready? Say cry. Change k to d word. Dry. Say glow. Change g to b word. Blow. Say drew. Change d to g word. Grew. Say free. Change f to t word. Tree. Say blank. Change b to p word. Plank. Say flow. Change f to s word. Slow. Say plea. Change p to f word. Flee. Say clash. Change k to s word. Slash. Say trick. Change t to b word. Brick. Say grain. Change g to t word. Train. Say clay. Change k to p word. Play. Say dry. Change d to t word. Try. Say brook. Change b to k word. Crook. Say gray. Change g to t word. Tray. Say crash. Change k to t word. Trash. Say brown. Change b to d word. Drown. In this lesson, we are reviewing how to read and spell words with the vowel team and syllable pattern. We are reviewing how to read and spell words with the vowel team syllable pattern. A vowel team has 2 or more letters side by side that are pronounced as one vowel sound. Today, we will review 4 vowel teams: EE, IGH. I'm a little behind on the presentation. Sorry about that. IE, so EE, IGH, OA, and OE. Words with the vowel team pattern have, repeat with me, 2 or more letters side by side that are pronounced as one vowel sound. Some vowel teams can be pronounced 2 different ways, and the gesture is like that. Let's look at today's 4 vowel team pronunciations and their key words. As I show you each one, say the key word and then say the vowel sound while showing the gesture. These 4 vowel teams are pronounced with a long vowel sound. Well, hold on. Hence is the problem. This says lesson 11, and I'm just all out of sorts. But you know what? I can fix that because the beginning is still the same. So we've still done the correct phoneme awareness, and that's the same. So here we are. See? Easy peasy. Lemon squeezing. So the keyword images to display for this one is eel. Having trouble seeing. Keywords, eel, sound, e, and your vowel team gesture. Next one is I. Keyword night, I, vowel team gesture. Next one is O, like in oat, O, and vowel team gesture. O, like in toe, O, and vowel team gesture. Let's practice identifying words that fit the pattern and words that do not. Watch what I do. The first word is sight. First, I point to the vowel or vowels and identify the syllable type. Vowel team. This word follows the IGH vowel team pattern. I whisper vowel team while making the vowel team gesture. I whisper the vowel sound I. I place the word sight under the I night column. Finally, I slide a finger under the word and whisper sight. Turn to page 80 in your student workbook. Let's review the steps. Look at the word to decide if it follows the vowel team syllable pattern. Whisper the syllable type and show the gesture. Whisper the vowel sound. Write the word under the correct column. Whisper read the word. I'll check back with you in a few minutes and then we can check your answers. So go ahead and pause. Pause. All right, let's check those answers. Flat. Flat. Yeah, that doesn't have a vowel team, does it? Next one, float. Float. Fight. Cheek. Fig. Fig. Woe. Green. Check. Foe. Soak. All right, you already know two ways to read and spell the long E, I, or O sounds using the long vowel silent E and open syllable patterns. In this activity, when you hear a long E, I, or O sound in a word, it's spelled with the vowel team EE, IGH, OA, or OE. Now we're going to spell words that have a closed syllable, long vowel, silent E syllable, or vowel team EE, IGH, OA, or OE pattern. We've done sound spelling mapping before. Let's do one together. The word is grown. Word, grown. Figure out how many boxes we'll use. Finger stretch the sounds in grown. G, R, O, N. 4 sounds. How many boxes? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, R, O, N. Now let's spell the word. Which letter spells the G sound? G. And which box? The first box. Which letter spells the R sound? R. Which box? The second box. The sound O sound is spelled with the vowel team OA. Which box? The third box. Remember, the O and A are written in the same box because they are pronounced as one sound. O. Which letter spells the N sound? N. Which box? The fourth box. And our word is grown. Grown. Now it's your turn. Turn to page 80 in your student workbook. Here are the steps. Finger stretch and place a dot in the bottom right-hand corner of the boxes you'll need. Write the letters. Remember that each sound gets its own box. Make a V connecting the vowels if the word follows the silent E pattern. Whisper the sounds and read the word to yourself. So turn to page 80. We did grown together, and now you'll do the 7 ones together. Go ahead and pause. Pause. All right, welcome back. We're going to do bright. There are 4 sounds, so 4 boxes. IGH all goes in one box because it's one sound. The next word is cloak. Also 4 boxes. And OA goes in the same box because that's a vowel team. Scrap. Nope. Scrape. Yeah, because of that little sneaky E, that silent E. Scrape. Brags. Hoe. Sheet. Click. And as we talked about in one of our groups the other day, on number 5, hoe, that's not a bad word. Hoe, whenever it's spelled like this, is a gardening tool. It's long and it has a little thing on the end, and you hit it, you till dirt with it, or you bring up a little dirt. It's different than a shovel. That's a different job. All right. Now we'll practice finding, wait, let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Yep. Now we'll practice finding vowel team sound words in a passage. Today's passage is about a boy and his foal. A foal is a baby horse. Foal. Foal. A foal is a baby horse. We're going to look for words that have the EE, IGH, OA, and OE vowel teams and underline them. Let's look at the title of the passage. The word reads has the vowels EE side by side, so I make the vowel team gesture and I underline it. Help me find more words to underline. Hold up the vowel team gesture when you see another one and I'll underline it. Continue underlining EE, IGH, OA, and OE. Foal, read, goal, foal, seemed, foal, read, foal, foal, coat, throat, coal. Oh, I missed thigh. Sorry about that. Coal, reads, roan, read, foal, row. Right, turn to page 78 in your student workbook. Oh, showed you that too soon. Here are the steps. Begin below the black line and continue underlining to the end of the passage. Use your fingers to find the vowels. If you find a word with EE, IGH, OA, and OE vowel team, underline it. I'll give you a few minutes and then we'll check back. Go ahead and pause. Pause while you read. All right, that's all we have for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.